Hello! Have you just installed Windows 10, but wondering why your CPU and RAM usage is always peaking? Why there's so much disk usage even though you didn't install anything? Well, that's because you haven't done these things. Before we continue, note that you don't necessarily have to reinstall Windows 10 if you already have it installed. Just follow my steps. Though I strongly recommend backing up your applications and stuff and reinstalling to get most out of this guide. After your installation finishes, head over to Personalization, then go to the Colors tab. Here, choose Dark Mode if you're not a maniac. After that, scroll down and check these 3 boxes. It may look ugly now, but trust me, it'll be worth it after a few steps. Go to the Lock Screen tab and select the Picture option, then click Browser. Here, select this Arcane lock screen. I've provided the download link in the video's description. Close the personalization settings and open the File Explorer. Go to the path where you downloaded the Arcane Desktop Theme Pack and double-click it. Download link is description. This theme pack consists of 1,365 wallpaper of the series Arcane, so there basically will be no repetition of wallpapers. The colors of the windows changes with the color of the wallpaper because of those 3 boxes we checked in the Colors tab of Personalization. Remove desktop icons, right-clicking on Desktop, going to View, and unselecting View Desktop icons. That way, the wallpapers will truly look cinematic. Go to Settings and check for updates. While that happens, go to Apps and delete everything except what I'm keeping. Don't worry, because these are apps installed by Windows that you aren't going to use anyway. After uninstalling all the apps, go to Default Apps and set these apps as default. Go to Video Playback and check this box. It doesn't improve performance or free up disk space, but it does improve the quality of videos you play. After that, disable all startup apps so your PC boots at maximum speed. Go to Gaming Settings and make sure that Game Mode is turned on. Go to Privacy and disable what I'm disabling. Disabling these background apps will give you a huge performance boost because they're always running in background and eating up your resources without you knowing, so make sure they're disabled. Go to System and then Advanced Display Settings. Here, make sure your refresh rate is set to maximum. This will make the display smooth, and if you get 120 frames per second on a game, for example, and your refresh rate is just 60 Hz, you won't notice a difference, so make sure it's set to maximum. Now go to the Storage tab and click Show More Categories. Click System and Reserved. Here, your virtual memory might be around 1 to 2 gigabytes. Go to Start and type Performance and open Adjust the Appearance and Performance of Windows. Go to the Advanced tab and click Change. Here, your paging file size might not be listed. Click Custom Size, but do not set it to what I set for mine. Go back and scroll down to About. Here, note the amount of RAM you have in gigabytes. Multiply that value by 1.5, then by 1000, and put that value in Initial Size, megabytes. Multiply that same value by 3, then by 100, and put that value in Maximum Size, megabytes. Click Set, Apply, and then OK. Go to the Remote Desktop tab and disable Remote Desktop. Go to Optional Features and delete everything except Notepad, System. Close the settings and restart your PC to apply the changes. After restarting your PC, go to Microsoft Store, then click Downloads. Here, click Check for Updates and let Windows update the outdated apps. Again, go to Settings, Apps, and delete anything unnecessary that Windows might have downloaded, then restart your PC. Open File Explorer and go to Local Disk C. Go to these folders and delete everything named Microsoft OneDrive, Microsoft Edge, Paint, or any app that you don't want. Close the Explorer and press Windows plus R. Here, type temp and delete everything in the folder. Then type %temp prefetch and do the same for them. Press Windows plus R again and type msconfig. Go to the Boot tab and click Advanced Options. Check the number of processors and set them to the highest value. Check the maximum memory box too. Click Apply and OK. Right-click on Local Disk C, go to Properties, click Disk Cleanup, and then Clean Up System Files. Check every box and click OK. Go to Tools tab and click Optimize. Here, click and optimize every drive. Click on Change Settings and set the frequency to weekly so the system will optimize your drives automatically from now on. Restart your PC again to apply the changes. Now open up Microsoft Store and search the browser you want to install. I recommend Opera for work, Opera GX for gaming, and its daily memes. Install Free Download Manager to download files faster and NanaZip to extract them. The reason my disk space is this much is because I'm doing all of this on a new user, and my main user has many applications and stuff on it, which is taking most of the stuff. But you will notice a big difference after following all these steps. If this guide helped you, consider leaving a like and subscribing. And if you want me to make any guides or tutorials on topics like how to activate Windows 10, how to make a custom desktop theme pack, or anything else, feel free to comment and I'll do my best to help you out.